How to fix your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can exit out of the blue screen of death. So if you guys are facing this blue screen, it might have been caused by various reasons. The first one being the latest Windows updates. If your PC does not support the Windows latest update, then it might have caused this issue. Or if you've downloaded any application, if you've downloaded it, and it might have been the cause of the problem. So what you need to do here is you need to force shut down the computer and restart. So just press and hold on your power key, and then your PC will restart after a few seconds. And each time you see your Windows logo or your manufacturer logo, keep pressing the power button to restart it. Do this for 3 to 4 times, and you will get into the advanced recovery mode. Once you get here, you're going to have to go to continue and then troubleshoot. Now from troubleshoot, you're going to go to advanced options and then click on startup settings. From here, click on restart, and now it will boot up your computer in a safe mode. Once you've done that, you can select enable safe mode here by pressing number 4 on your keyboard, and your PC will start on a safe mode. So once that is done, all you need to do here is simply go ahead and go to your file explorer and then go to this PC. So here, you're just going to have to right click on this PC. And then what you need to do is go to its properties. Once you open it up, your Windows properties will pop up on your screen. Now go to Advanced System Settings. All right, so once this appears on your screen, you're going to have to go to this option called Startup and Recovery. Go to its settings. Now just make sure that you turn off automatic restart. Click on OK. And once you have done that, the next step is you're going to have to check for your Windows updates, a recent update that might have caused the problem. So go to Startup Recovery again. And then from here, what you can do is simply go ahead and open up your control panel first. Go to your search bar and then search for control panel. Go to Program and Apps. So from here, go to Program and Features. You'll be able to see the dates that you've installed it. So see the most recent application you've installed that might be the cause of the problem. And then finally go to Installed Updates after uninstalling the app. Go here and you'll see the latest Windows updates here. You can try to uninstall the recent update and see if that fixes the problem. Now go here and then you're going to have to restart your PC to a normal mode and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.